This might be my new favorite species to target in the bay. We're throwing jerkbaits around, looking around for different fish that are boiling on the surface, and I get bit on one of my new favorites, a shortfin corvina.
Right there. Oh! Oh!
That's so sick! Bro, that's a good one! Let's go! Spiders! Dude! These guys hit super hard on jerkbaits and they pulled quite a bit of drag and were just overall a blast. Totally different than the bass that I'm used to catching down here. Oh my gosh. That was nuts. Oh.